Okay, now we go to example 8. This example you have to be concentrate on it because it's a bit complicated at first, but if you are good in chemistry I think there is no any problem พวกเราฟังผมดีๆนะสำหรับข้อ8เนี่ยครับก่อนอื่นเลยเนี่ยเขาถามว่า how would you prepare 500 milliliters เราจะสามารถที่จะเตรียมสารละลาย500มิลลิลิตรของ sodium hydroxide from to 0.2 molar of sodium hydroxide from a stock solution of 1.5 molar sodium hydroxide. What's the meaning of that? At first you know that you have the sodium hydroxide here ตอนแรกเรามี sodium hydroxide here with the concentration 1.5 molar. What is molar? Molar is mole per liter, right? Okay, that mean at first you have the sodium hydroxide with this concentration and you want to dilute it to 0.2 molar with the volume of the solution is 500 milliliter. That means what is that? Again, I mean you want to dilute ทำให้มันละลายทำให้มันเจือจางลง with solution altogether you have 500 milliliter and the concentration is 0.2 molar. So the question is if you want to prepare this solution, how much that you have to add, how much you have to pull on you, how much you have to take from this box to this box, and how much of water you have to add it inside here because you want the all solution is 500 milliliters from concentrate from the formula C1 V1 equal to C2 V2. That means at first you know that this is C1, right? You don't know V1, you don't know, you want to find V1 and you know the final volume V2 is 500 and C1 is C2 is 0.2 molar. Therefore 1.5 molar times V1 is equal to C2 is 0.2 molar times 500 milliliter. Is that correct? It's correct. So therefore V1 equal to 0.2 molar times, can I change it to 0.5 liter? No, I don't have to change because at the end we want the unit is milliliter times 500 milliliter is divided by 1.5 molar. The unit is cancelled by unit and at the end we get 67 milliliter. So what the meaning of that? You have to add 67 milliliter of this one เราต้องเอา67มิลลิลิตรจากเจ้าตัวโซเดียมไฮดรอกไซด์ที่มันเข้มข้นนะครับมาใส่ในนี่งั้นเพื่อที่จะให้เป็น500 so that we have to add it until the volume is 500 milliliter so you have to add more water 433 milliliter of water okay and the rest is quite easy for the rest is quite easy look at it here what is the final concentration example 9 what is the final concentration in molarity of a solution prepared by diluting 2.5 milliliter of 3 molar up to 0.0175 liters so from the formula C1 V1 equal to C2 V2 and so what is C1 here this is C1 this is V1 and this is V2 you want to find C2 because you want to know the concentration right the final concentration therefore 3 molar times 2.5 the unit is milliliter so C2 times V2 we want to change because we use the unit is milliliter so if we want to calculate it I think you should change it to milliliter as well so we have 0.175 liter sorry I'm sorry 175 milliliter therefore C2 equals 3 molar times 2.5 milliliter and the denominator is 175 milliliter and at the end you will get the answer and the answer is 4.29 times 10 minus 2 molar okay it's okay it's quite straightforward a platinum bar so example 10 a platinum bar measure 5.0 that means what we have here we have a platinum bar like here my drawing is very excellent I think okay we have 5 centimeter long 4 centimeters wide and 1.5 centimeter thick it has a measure it has a mass 700 grams มีมวลอยู่700 กรัม calculate the volume of the platinum so A the volume the formula of volume is 5 centimeters times 4 centimeter times 1.5 centimeters, and you have to use calculator again, or you can use your hand. At the end you will get 30 cubic. Okay, and b-boy, calculate the density. What is the density? The density is mass and is divided by volume. So do you know the mass already? Yes, we already know it's 700 grams, and the volume is 30, right? Okay, and then you will get the answer is 23.33 gram per cubic. Okay. Example 11. A lead cylinder ทรงกระบอกเนาะ has a mass 540 grams and density 2.7 gram per milliliter. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. Again, density equal to mass and divided by volume. So now what you have here, you have 2.7 gram per milliliter equal to, you know, mass already 540 grams. Is divided by volume. So the volume is 540 grams divided by 2.7 gram per milliliter, and then you will get the answer is 200 milliliter. Okay, and the last example, you have a bar of soap สบู่เนาะ12 centimeter tall, something like this. And okay, wow, it's wonderful. 12 tall and 6 wide and 10 long. So then you know the volume immediately is 12 times 6. Don't forget the unit. 12 centimeter times 6 centimeter times 10 centimeters, and then you will get 720 cm power 3 or cubic. And then you want to find the density of it. The density is again mass is divided by mass compared to volume, right? And you know the mass already is 415 grams, and you know already the volume is 720 cubic, and then you use calculator again and you will get 0.57 gram per cm power 3 cubic. Okay, that is all for this chapter.